Hope y'all are enjoying your night so far. We are going to be taking off very soon. Really quick question. I know them. Well, welcome aboard, everybody. Welcome on board the Terror Tram. My name is Jorge. Everybody say hi, Jorge. Hi. Oh no.
Good evening. My name is Megan, and I'd like to welcome you on board the Terror Tram. Great job. Terror. That implies someone or something that inspires fear. I guess that's me. We'll be underway in just a second, but before we depart, I need to go over some rules for your safety and comfort. Please remain seated at all times while the tram is in motion, keeping arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Did you know 30% of accidental amputations can be attributed to people sticking their arms out of moving vehicles? Just a fun fact. If you have any small children with you tonight, I really have to question your parenting choices. Please make sure that they are seated towards the center of the aisle, away from the tram gates. If you have an emergency of any kind, please pull the red emergency cord overhead, and I'll be back to assassinate you. Assist you. Have a great time, everyone. Surprise.
By the looks of it, Megan is hacked. Take a look.
Cue the creepy dude in the mask.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Just remember how good the Purge does.
You don't actually believe that story, do you? That's as far as the tram is gonna take you. That's right, people. You're gonna have to get out and walk, which is really good for your cardiovascular system, but not so good for your chances of survival. I calculate that at 0.00.
What are you?
I'm Megan. Have a nice life. What's left of it.
And look, everybody, here she is on your left-hand side, waiting to say hello to all of you, jamming out to Chaperone, no less. It's Megan on your left-hand side. Everybody wave hello. Hi, Megan. She's excited to meet all of you, so grab your valuables and belongings. This is as far as Jacob and I are taking you tonight.
You want to see a magic trick? What you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
I know. Attention. All you want is
The worst mistakes of their lives, over and over and over, for all eternity. is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government.
Late to the party, cupcake. Alright, meat sacks. Let's get this party started. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way.